Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, to the Stock Market Show. This is your host, Shades. As always, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. Soundhound sitting at 9.1. I bought it at 11 because I saw that weekly crossover on the lower time frame, right? Weekly crossover usually means we've marked the bottom and we're just going to go sideways and then eventually get a huge pump. Let me move this up. There you go. There's your weekly crossover right there. And guess what? It just went sideways, right? It just went sideways. It came down from what, $6 to a low of $4, so it can still drop $2. Like we can see, I mean, it literally did drop $2 from 11, but we can see even further downside. Let me zoom back in. There we go. So you can see here it crossed over right here, and it was at 6.3, dropped to as low as 4, and then it marked the bottom. That's the most important thing. It just goes sideways, fluctuates, and then eventually boom, right? So pretty much the same play. Again, it's a weekly time frame. It's going to be a while. So I'm not concerned. Let me see. Let me pull this up. Same thing, right? Crossover happens, huge pump. Crossover happens here. It just goes sideways, maybe drops down a little bit, but whatever. It eventually gets that huge pump. It's always done this. So this time would be no different. But we do have a lot going on in the world. You know, Israel, Iran, and I think two people got assassinated as well. So who knows what's going to happen in the future. So the whole market came down last week. And here we are. So I'm just going to say be cautious. But remember, if everything's coming down together, it's time to buy the dip. Because it's not going down because the company's revenues are going down. It's not going down because there's anything wrong with the company or because they just announced a reverse split or whatever. It's going down because the market as a whole is reacting and also coming down because of everything that's going on. And when you recognize that, you see this as an opportunity, you're not scared.